Welcome back, guys. And in nowadays many persons are using WhatsApp call, audio or video, that depends on the person. But if you are doing a WhatsApp call and you are not seeing the number on the screen, then what the things you need to check I am going to explain in this video. Please do like and consider to subscribe this channel if you like the video. So not wasting much of your time, first thing what you need to check, go to the settings and go to the notifications, and then not notifications, go to the apps, search for WhatsApp here and go to the permissions. Okay, then see which permissions are allowed, enabled. Okay, so you can see all permissions from here. Just give all permissions. Okay, just like that, all permissions. And then not call log, camera, okay, ask every time, contacts, allow, okay, then files and media, give permissions, and notification, see this is enabled or not, it should be enabled. Okay, then if you have checked both things, means first thing, the in apps, WhatsApp, notifications should be allowed and it should have all the permissions. After that, go back, go to the setting, go to the notifications here, and then go to the WhatsApp, then in-app notification setting, and here reset notification settings. Okay, now reset all the notifications including your custom notification settings for your chat. Custom notification settings will be resetted. So do this, and after that you will see that your problem has been solved. So if you like the video and if you are getting your problem solved, please do consider to subscribe this channel. I will repeat once again, just go to the apps, and then WhatsApp, and see the notifications are allowed or not, enabled or not. Then go to the permissions, give all permissions, and the third thing, in the setting, go to the notification, then app, and then reset notification setting. This is all what I wanted to tell you in this video. If you like the channel, please do consider to subscribe this. Thank you very much.